Hello, this is Kylie from Hello Crafter, and I'm sharing this tutorial for this card that I've made using the So Many Snowflakes dies and the lovely Snowflake Splendour designer series papers. So I've used the dies to cut snowflake shaped windows out of this white panel here so that the lovely papers can peep through. So it's really simple layout, and I'm going to show you what you need to create this card. So for this card, I just need to start with a Whisper White card base. This is an A5 size piece of card that's just been folded in half. And then I have a piece of the Snowflake Splendour designer series papers, and this has been cut down to 9.5 centimetres by 13.8 centimetres. And another piece of Whisper White cardstock which measures 9 centimetres by 13.3 centimetres, and I'm going to die cut this piece using the So Many Snowflakes dies. I've also got some of this lovely pool party sheer ribbon, and I've also die cut a little label. It's a stitch circle from the Stitch Shapes dies, and I can stamp a sentiment onto this. You will also need some scissors to cut your ribbon and some glue. So you can use ordinary glue like this, but ideally if you've got sticky tape, double-sided sticky tape or tear and tape, this is really good for attaching your ribbon. And the foam pads are really good for attaching your card panel to raise the panel a little bit above the card. But if you don't have foam pads, then an ordinary glue will work just fine. The first thing I want to do is cut snowflakes from this white panel here. And I've just laid on 3 of the snowflake dies from the So Many Snowflakes set. There's quite a few different shapes, large ones and small ones within this set. But I've just chosen these 3 here, laid them on, and I'll die cut those out. So you can use a piercing tool just to pop those snowflakes out of the dies more easily. So this piece now acts as a little window, and then you've got 3 snowflakes to add to your card. So the card is actually really simple. So first of all, glue your snowflake background down. So choose which side you like the look of, and add a little bit of glue to the back of that. Stick that on the front of the card, and just make sure you've got it quite central. And then this just sticks down over the top. So you can glue that down with normal glue, but I would quite like to use the foam pads. So if you've got foam pads, you want a few of these in the corners and in the centre, just avoiding the holes. Get another one on there. Get plenty on and take off the backing. And stick that on. So there's various ways you can decorate the front of your card. You've got these snowflakes there that you can add. You can also stamp a little greeting onto your label. I've used Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set here, and I've used that Happy Christmas stamp, which is small enough to fit on here. And you've got some ribbon here. So how I'll attach that, the easiest way to do that is to turn your little label over, add some of this tear and tape. You just peel the backing off that. to make a Z shape with some loops. So that it just looks a little bit fancy without too much effort. And I'll just add another of the foam pads to the back there. Hopefully that should all stick together. And I'll place that just here where the gap is. And then if you want to add some more snowflakes to the card, you can just attach these. I think I'll add just 2 extra ones. And I might save this for something else. And there you have your lovely simple card. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.